In case you're worried about the robots taking your job, let me show you what Excel's flash fill just did to my dashboard. So here's the dashboard that I'm working on. These are made up numbers, but the idea is that you can select the state name from the filter right here, and then you get a one pager for each state. This could be really easily printed or PDF'd. It would look like this. I often include things like this in the appendices of technical reports. And there are tons of lookups throughout here to get things like month abbreviations, to get these sentences to write themselves, etc. And this is what happened. I started typing in January, February, and Excel's flash fill was like, hey, we know better than you. We're going to fill the months all the way down. And it's just, please don't rely on AI for data and data viz. It's just making all of our data sets worse.